In this video, we are going to see how to find median for a discrete frequency distribution. Here we have a distribution. Actually, this distribution is about income and the number of workers. So here we have each classification for an individual value. So that is we have the first classification for $1,000. The second classification is for $2,000 income, and third classification is for $2,500. And for the fourth category, we have $3,000, and for the fifth category, we have $4,500. So each category we have for an individual value. So it's called whenever we have each classification is for an individual value, then the distribution is called discrete frequency distribution. Okay, in the first category, there are 6 number of workers where each worker is getting $1,000 income, and in the second category there are 12 workers where each worker is getting $2,000 income. Okay, so we have to find median income for the given discrete frequency distribution. Okay, whenever I want to find median for a grouped frequency distribution, first what I need is I have to find the sum of the frequencies. So here we have number of workers. So this number of workers is the frequencies, because in any group, any discrete frequency distribution, the countings, the column in which we have the countings for each category is called frequencies. So this is a column we have counting for each category. So number of workers here refer to frequencies. So first we have to find the sum of the frequencies. So when I add all the frequencies over here, I mean the number of workers over here, I'm getting 49. Okay, to get the median, what I need is first I have to find the value of n positive 1 over 2. So n positive 1 over 2 means n is 49, positive 1 over 2. I'm getting 50 over 2, so which is equal to 25. Okay, so once I'm done with this stuff, that is finding the value of n positive 1 over 2, now I have to write a less than cumulative frequency for the given discrete frequency distribution. Okay, here in the third column, I'm going to write less than cumulative frequencies. So less than cumulative frequencies means for the first category, what I need is I have to write the number of workers where each worker is getting income $1,000 or less than $1,000. But we don't have less than $1,000. So there are 6 workers who are getting $1,000. We have to write that 6 over here. Okay, in less than cumulative frequency, the second category. So what number should I write over here? Have to write the number of workers who are getting $2,000 income or less than $2,000 income. So here, if I want to write the number of workers who are getting 2,000 or less than 2,000 means there is one category, that is $1,000, which is less than 2,000. So we have to add these 2 values and write over here, that is 18. That means there are 18 workers where each worker is getting either $2,000 or less than $2,000, that is $1,000. Okay, here outright the number of workers who are getting $2,500 or less than $2,500. Already we know that there are 18 workers who are getting 2,000 or less than 2,000. Okay, and there are 9 workers who are getting $2,500. Then how many workers are getting either 2,500 or less than 2,500? So that can be calculated by adding this 9 to 18. So there are 27 workers who are getting either $2,500 or less than $2,500. That means $2,000 and $1,000. Okay, now here I have to write the number of workers who are getting either $3,000 or less than $3,000. Already we know that the number of workers who are getting the income $2,500 or less than $2,500 is 27. So to get the total number of workers who are getting less than either $3,000 or less than $3,000, we have to add this 14 and 27. That will be 41. So that means there are 41 workers who are getting income $3,000 or less than $3,000. Okay, now here I have to write the number of workers who are getting either $4,500 or less than $4,500. For that I have to add this number, so there is 49. So there are 49 workers who are getting either $4,500 income or less than $4,500 income. Okay, now to get the median income, so in this less than cumulative frequency, I have to identify the position of 25, that is 25th value. So where do you have the 25th value in this less than cumulative frequency? So that's what I have to identify over here. Okay, so this 25 comes within 18 and 27. That means here this 18 means the first 18 frequencies, because 6 is a frequency we have for the first category, 12 is the frequency we have for the second category. So the first 18 frequencies cover these two income categories, 1000 and 2000. And so which frequencies cover the third one? So it's very simple. Already we know that the first two income category 1000 and 2000 covered by the first 18 frequencies. Then this category, the third category, is covered by 19th to 27th. So the 19th frequency to 27th frequency covers $2,500 income. So our value, the value of n plus 1 over 2 is 25th. So to get the median, we have to find the income at the 25th position. Actually, 25th position comes between 19th position and 27th position. So between 19th and 27th position, we have the same income, that is $2,500. So for in the 25th position, the income what we have is $2,500. So the median for the given discrete frequency distribution is $2,500.